guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how I make my favorite summer drink. This drink is my all-time favorite in the summertime because it not only refreshes me, but it also boosts my energy and it makes my skin look very rejuvenated, and it also detoxifies the body. This drink is called the Strawberry Cucumber Detox Water. My mom and I's all-time favorite. We always drink this, always make it, but we haven't made it in a while. So since it's summertime, we're gonna start making it again and just have it on deck for when we need a refreshing drink. So if you guys would love to know how to make this drink, go ahead and just keep watching. Okay guys, so in this video, I am not wearing any makeup, just some mascara because I'm having some breakout around my cheeks, just so you know. Alright, so what you guys will need is a pitcher, any type of pitcher. I like to use this one because we could put some ingredients in the middle and it just kind of like pushes around and it holds it there. So I was just using that pitcher right there. I have some mint leaves right here. I went down to my local HEB to pick these ingredients up. I have these fresh mint. I'm using cucumbers. I got 2 cucumbers just in case, and then I have these lemons. I'm using 3. We'll see how much I really need. And then I have some fresh strawberries right here. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 strawberries in my bowl right here. So yeah, you could use actually whatever type of fruits or any veggies that you'd like to use. These are just like my favorite that I like to use. It gives the best flavor. Okay, so the next step is just to chop it all up. Chopped up everything, and a little side note, I did peel the cucumber so that the skin's off of there, but just look at this spread. It looks so good. I might have a little bit too much, but I'll just probably save the rest for a little snack later. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting these ingredients into my container. Oh, can't forget about the mint leaves. I don't know where to put this. So for the mint leaves, I don't really put a lot because the flavor can get very overpowering. So I'm just gonna put a few. Wow, that smells very good. Really calming. Okay, so that's good enough with that. Now I'm just going to put random ones in there. I would make this drink when I was in high school, and I'd always carry around my water bottle. It was just my favorite drink to take to school. All of these smells together smell amazing. I love it. this is how it's looking right now. Maybe a little bit more mint leaves. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'll stop adding right there. And now I'm just gonna add some water. Okay, so I put the water in there, and now all you can see is all of the fruits just coming together. Just pop this on. And now for the last step, I just need to put it in the fridge for up to 3 hours max, because all of these ingredients need to seep together and just add the flavor to the water so it would taste super good. And that is basically it. So all you need to do is just top up all your stuff and then put it in a pitcher of your liking, and then add water to it. You could add ice cubes to it. Doesn't really matter because you're gonna be putting it in the fridge for several hours. And then after the hours are up, it is ready to drink and you have your refreshing drink. And this is the final outcome. What do you guys think? Would you drink it? Does it look super refreshing? Okay, now I'm gonna go place this into the fridge. Okay guys, that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and leave me a comment down below if you would try to make it, if you've ever tried it. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. Bye.